Hello guys, what's up? I am Liton Ryan with you. So we discuss today which is the best motorcycle accident lawyer. So let's go. If you are considering hiring a motorcycle accident lawyer, you will want to make sure the attorney you choose is right for your needs. Some attorneys may be better suited for your case than others. Additionally, you will want to choose one that feels like a good fit and that you feel comfortable and confident working with. Read on, learn what qualities make up the best motorcycle accident lawyer. Motorcycle accident claim experience. Motorcycle accident lawyers typically fall under the personal injury law category. This category encompasses all legal cases where an individual experienced an injury due to another person's negligence. If you are searching for the best motorcycle accident lawyer, you will want to ensure that the one of choices has extensive experience with motorcycle accident cases. If you choose a broader personal injury lawyer, they may not have specialized experience with motorcycle accidents, limiting their ability to help your case. Professionalism. Motorcyclists often have a reputation for being laid back. However, your motorcycle accident lawyer should give off an air or professionalism that can help you trust their law practice and knowledge. Your motorcycle accident case is serious to you and your attorney should take it seriously as well. If you find that an attorney you are considering seems a little too casual or unprofessional, we recommended looking for another option. Compassion. Some personal injury attorneys are so focused on their work that they lose any sense of compassion toward their clients. However, your motorcycle accident was probably stressful and traumatic for you, and your attorney should others should offer at least a little sympathy as you work through the challenging emotions involved. Compassionate attorneys will go above and beyond to help you feel comfortable throughout your motorcycle accident case. They will also take on as much responsibility for your claim as possible, allowing you to focus on recovering from your injuries. You can typically learn about an attorney's compassion by reading reviews and testimonials testimonials from past clients. Meeting with a motorcycle accidents attorney can also help you decipher their attitude towards your case. Adequate license. Personal injury attorneys need to obtain a specific license to operate in your state. As you search for an attorney, you should be cautious to only work with one who has the proper license to practice in your area. You can typically find an attorney's qualifications on their website, often on the About US page. If you have trouble finding this information, be sure to ask during your initial consultations. Trial experience. Not every personal injury attorney has experience bringing cases to trial. Often, attorneys are able to help clients settle these cases out of courts. If the at-fault driver's insurance company refuses to negotiate it, you may need to sue to receive adequate compensations. As a result, it's best to it's best to look for an attorney with ample trial experience. These attorneys know the best ways to navigate a court case, presents you evidence to the judge, and improve your chance of securing the level of compensations you want. Affordability. 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 Hiring a professional motorcycle accident attorney should not break your budget. After all, one of the primary reasons to hire an attorney is to help you secure the most compensations from your accident claim. Many accident attorneys only charge you if they win your case for you. Either way, you should always be sure to clarify an attorney's fees before hiring them. If you are looking for a motorcycle attorney that checks all of this box, we can help at Law Tigers. We work with some of the best motorcycle accident lawyers in the industry. Contact us today at 1-888-863-7216 to schedule a free case evaluation.